Today I want to show you my new Jeep door storage hangers from Quadratec. This is the perfect Jeep door storage solution. They're brackets that hang on your wall by 6 bolts, and then your Jeep doors hang on the bracket by their hinges just as if they were on your Jeep. They're off of the floor, they're out of the way, they're not getting beat up, scratched up. The bottoms don't get scuffed or scratched from sitting on the floor. The paint inside goes against the wall, so it's nice and protected and not getting scratched up. They hang from their hinges like that. They're pretty cool. You're going to love them. It's my back doors. And these are my front doors. Right now I have my core doors on there. When I put my core doors on my Jeep doors will go here. So there's the bracket with the hinges. There they are. Easy to hang up and then easy to store your doors. Now, if only I could figure out something to do with my Jeep tops, we'll be doing good. I have one right there. One back there. I have really tall ceilings, or I'd put a hoist in. I still might do a hoist, we'll see. But anyways, here's the Quadratec door hanger storages. They're amazing brackets. They're really, really neat. You're going to love them. Go check them out.